Alright, today we're going to take a look at a couple of nice little Zippos I just received. And I got them on sale. And I couldn't pass them up because they're both brass. Let's take a look at this one. Now it looks like they're starting to send these Zippos in this cardboard sleeve to protect the box. This is a regular brass finish, brushed. And it came in the regular Zippo black box with made in the USA, genuine Zippo lighter, made in Bradford, PA. So this is just a very plain brass brushed brass Zippo. It's really nice. Got a good sound. I'm not going to light this one up, but it does have, one of the main reasons I got it, it has a brass insert, chimney insert. And this one was made in, that says J of 16. Let's see. I think that's about September of 16. It's plain brushed brass, but brass is cool. You can see the good stampings on it. Bradford, PA, made in USA. Well, that's one of them. Now, the second one is a little bit different. And this one says 1941B brass vintage. That means brushed brass vintage. Comes in a pretty nice, little different box. Says Zippo on the front. It says a week's trial, then all the while. 1941 vintage. Somewhat of a collector's box. But one of the reasons I got this on sale was it's got a few scratches on the front, which I'm not really worried about. And the box says 1941 replica, made in USA. Several distinctive characteristics distinguish the 1941 replica from a modern Zippo lighter. Flat plain case, less rounded edges, distinctive corners on the lid, 4-barrel hinge, replica inside unit. Modern Zippo lighters have 5-barrel hinge. So that's the box. Let's take a look at this thing. That's not it. This is it. And I did get it with a few scratches. You can see it's a little bit more square around the edges like the box said. Got a great sound. It's got the brass insert. I'm not going to light this one up either. And on the bottom, one of the differences is the serial number, or the patent number. Patent 2032695, made in USA. And this was made in H of 16. I think that's August. And this is of course a replica of Zippos they made from 1937, I think, to 1950. Really nice. And I actually do have another one of these that I got used. Same replica. You can see the same serial number on that. Patent 2032695. And I got this. It was made in I of 11. So I'll put that there. 3 nice brass Zippos. The 2 newest ones I got, pretty cheap. But that has always been my favorite. This one here. Let's see if I can get this communicator to work. Yeah, it still works. That's pretty annoying. So there's a couple of new Zippos. And I'll give you a quick flyby of most of my brass Zippos. I try to collect the Marlboro horses whenever I can, the cowboy. Got quite a few of those. So there's a couple of new Zippos. And yes, they are all made in the USA, and they definitely deserve cowbell. Knuckle bump.